Alright guys, so today we are going to be changing the coil on a 212cc Predator engine. This one's on a Predator 4375 generator. First thing you want to do though is you see this black wire. First I disconnect the yellow wire. That's the oil sensor. Make sure the oil's full. If it is, disconnect the yellow wire. Try it, you plug a spark tester in it. I'll put this in the description below. They're cheap. If it's got spark, then it's a bad oil sensor. You're fine. If it doesn't have spark, you go on to this black wire which connects in and you disconnect it. That's the actual kill wire. So you disconnect that and that disconnects it from everything else. And then you try it again. And this thing kinda got a little bit of spark for a little bit and then no spark at all. So it's a bad coil. Alright. So what we're gonna do, and I'll put the coil in the description below as well. It's a brand new coil. What we're gonna do is remove. This is 8 millimeters. Some of them are 10, but this one's 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. We're gonna get those taken off. Let me get my camera set up. All right, 8 millimeters. Four. Now this recoil just pulls straight off. So now you have two. Oops, let's get this turned. We have two nuts here and here, bolts right there and there. Let's turn a little more for you. All right, we're gonna take those off. There's a wire at the bottom. Unplug it. That's your kill wire that you unplugged, the black one that you unplugged over on the other end there. Alright, unplug the spark plug. Oops. Now this is kind of a pain in the butt to get around. Just throttle it up a little bit and you can force it past. And you work your way down through and you're out. So now we're going to put the new one in. This new one comes with a kill wire. We're just going to get rid of that. And get this kill wire plugged into the bottom like it was. If you put this in backwards, it will not work. Yeah, hold on. Let's get this thing plugged in. Hold on, I got customers. Alright, customer's gone. Alright, let's get this thing stabbed in. Come on, what is going on with this thing? This kill wire is a pain in the... Oh, it's not wide enough. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this wire. This way. Like that. Spin that tab back. Get this out of there. New wire. On back behind everything. Like this. Turn that tab. Put it down on it. Boom, new wire. There we go. Alright. Pop this thing in there. Easy as pie. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the bolts started. Do not tighten them, just get them started. let this run up and through. Up. Over. Just partially throttle this again to get it under in between this tab area. There we go. Like that. Fits right down in the plastic like so. Alright, hold on a second. I'm just going to take somebody's business card and we're going to put it in between the flywheel and the coil. And we're going to turn the flywheel so the magnet is right on the coil, and we can hold the coil tight against the business card. And the magnet's actually holding it there, but we'll hold it tight against there. Snug, and then tight. Turn the flywheel, get the business card out, and check it back. Looks like it's perfect right there. Alright, plug it into the spark plug up top. Bam, like so. Make sure none of this wire is touching the flywheel anywhere, that it's all out of the way. Actually went the wrong side of this governor. I want to go under the governor and over around back here. Just like so. Alright. Recoil goes back on in place. 4 bolts. Get started. You can use the extension as a screwdriver. All started. Once you get them started, then you can snug them all up. Make sure that's engaging properly. Engaging properly. Make sure everything's tight. Alright, she's all in there tight. That's basically how you change the coil, guys. We're gonna hope and pray that this thing starts. Woo! It's got spark now. So we got a bad governor going on here. Everything is real revved up, so I'm gonna have to adjust the governor. But we got spark now. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put the parts in the description below for you. Also the spark tester, I'll put that in the description below for you. If I forget anything, just message me. If you're looking for any parts, message me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, peace.